Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Smoothly. Today, we're diving into a very important topic, daily use sentences. Let's get started. Will you be my friend? Yes, I will. Did sister come home? Yes, she did. May I ask you something? Yes, you can. I want to be a doctor. May I come in? Yes, come in. Do it yourself. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Let's go home. Harry, go and get me a cup of coffee. Sure, I'll get it for you. Tina, let's go to a movie. Sure, let's go. Peter, take a rest. Okay, I'll take a rest. Can I get you something? Yes, please. Could I have a glass of water? What are you doing? I am helping my friend. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. How did you arrive? I took a taxi. Where were you? I was in the bathroom. That's it for today's. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn English Smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.